In this video, I will show you how to add favicon in Next.js. And here you can see this is the favicon. And so how to change this favicon and use your custom logo here. Okay. So for this, here you can see I have a simple app created. And inside this app folder, you will have favicon.ico. So this is actually the default favicon. You will have to upload your own favicon. Okay. So how you can do that? For this, at first, we need to create a favicon icon. I will go to a browser and then simply search favicon ICO generator. Simply search this and then go any of this website. You can go to favicon.io or this or any of it. Simply let me go the first one. And here you will have several options. You can just create favicon ICO from image, text, or emoji. So let me create a favicon from image as I have a logo of my company. I will simply click here. Here you will upload your image. So let me double click and upload my image. And right now, download the favicon package. Click here and choose a folder directory. So it downloaded. We will simply just extract it or unzip it here. Now you can see this is the folder. If you go inside this folder, you will have all of this. You can simply upload all of this to your app, or you can just upload this one. Okay. You will simply go here, then drag this and put it inside this app. Okay. Inside this app and replace it. So you can see it's added right now. And if you back to your website and refresh, you can see it's already added at the top left corner of the browser tab. You can also change the text here. So how you can do that? If you go to the layouts and here you can see this is metadata. You can change the title. We can simply say my website name. Okay. And now, if you back here, you can see my website name. You can just put your website name or slogan to give a personal vibe.